Welcome to English Fluency Builder. Learn English the simple and effective way. In this video, you will learn common phrasal verbs using the word come. Let us begin. Come across means find by chance. Meaning, find something unexpectedly. Example, I came across an old photo yesterday. Come up with means think of an idea. Meaning, create or think of something. Example, she came up with a brilliant idea. Come back means return. Meaning, go back to a place. Example, he came back after a long time. Come in means enter. Meaning, go inside. Example, come in, the door is open. Come out means become known or revealed. Meaning, be revealed or made public. Example, the truth finally came out. Come down with means get sick. Meaning, start to feel ill. Example, I think I am coming down with a cold. Come over means visit someone. Meaning, go to someone's house. Example, why do not you come over tonight? Come along means join or accompany. Meaning, go with someone. Example, come along, let us go together. You have now learned 8 useful phrasal verbs with come. Practice these in your daily conversations. Follow English Fluency Builder for more simple and useful English lessons. Keep learning and keep improving.